Cooking-related sentences with examples. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am peeling carrots. I am peeling carrots. I am slicing onions. I am slicing onions. I am roasting nuts. I am roasting nuts. I am toasting breads. I am toasting breads. I am crackling eggs. I am crackling eggs. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. I am dicing tomatoes. I am dicing tomatoes. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am frying chicken. I am frying chicken. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am flipping pancakes. I am flipping pancakes. I am scrambling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am boiling vegetables. I am boiling vegetables. I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am sautéing onions. I am sautéing onions. I am caramelizing sugar. I am caramelizing sugar. I am draining the cooked pasta. I am draining the cooked pasta. I am peeling oranges. I am peeling oranges. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.